Today we are going to learn how to build dynamic text with formulas and how to give some format to some text. So the first thing we are going to see is this one. This is a greet, hello. In this case, it's going to be the blue, Caleb. His last name, Caleb Smith. Thank you for buying. The purple with the purple, it sells curves, and the quantity 1. The second message, it's similar, but order you can add your Python basics codes. If you want this dynamic, you can change it from here, basic course, and it will change, of course. For more quality, if you want more clarity, you can add another end and say something like quantity and add this one, and now it's a little bit more clear, the message. This is a special part, because in this part to this, all of these are given a special form to this. So this is a date, and it forms this one, 6 September in the 90s. And Sophie comes from here, Miller comes from here. In this occasion, it doesn't take into account this part. So it doesn't specify the product. In this case, just specify the training, but you can change it. For example, if there is a mistake, you can change it for itself, and it will change immediately. The rest are more of the same. Here there is also a special, but you can change it. You can just apply, for example, year, and it will show the year or the month, and it only shows the month, as you can see. And that's pretty much. You just need to make some experiments with the information and try, and it will become easier.